All right, next one, find the following for the quadratic function. If we notice, this quadratic function is upside down because the a is negative. That's why. All right, so we are going to answer some questions about this. Remember, the parabola keeps going on forever and ever and ever. So the domain, the x values, since it keeps going on forever and ever on both sides, the domain for all quadratics and also lines is all real numbers. Your range is the one that changes for quadratics. Your range in this one, remember, ranges from bottom to top. So here it keeps going on forever below to all the negatives. So here it keeps going forever. So it's from here all the way to the highest point, which in this case is 9. That's my highest point. So my range is all real numbers less than or equal to, because it's solid, than 9. So it's all real numbers less than or equal to 9. The way I would write it as an inequality would be y is less than or equal to 9. Does this one have a minimum or a maximum? Well, it has a high point, so that one would be a maximum. What is the minimum or the maximum value of g? So they want the value. Okay, so here it's 1 and here it's 9. So my vertex is 1, 9. The value, the maximum value, is your y. So in this case it is the 9. Vertex, we just found it. It's that coordinate 1, 9. The axis of symmetry, it's the line that cuts the parabola in half. It's going to cut it in half right at the vertex. Vertical is up, down. Vertical is up, down. It's x equals. So this is x equals, where does it cross the x-axis? At what number? 1. X equals 1. Plus, remember, we've said it so many times before, the axis of symmetry is the first number of the vertex. X equals 1. That's your x value. And if you want to remember, this is your minimum or maximum value all the time. That's your axis of symmetry. That's your minimum or maximum value. Your y-intercept. Where does it cross the y-axis? Well, here's my y-axis. It is crossing here at 8. Is it crossing at 0, 8 or 8, 0? Well, remember, it's x, y. So 8 is your y. So it's 0, 8. What is g of -1 equal to? Remember, this is now replacing the x. So it's saying that the x is -1. So we go to the x and we go to -1, which is right here. What's the graph? Where is it? It's right here at 5. At -1, the value is 5. What is the positive value of x when y is equal to 5? So we found y is 5. There's y is 5. Remember, look, here's my y. My y is 5. My values for x are -1, as well as this one right here, which is +3. So they want the positive x value. Although both answers are -1 and 3, the positive x value would be the 3. If it would have said the negative value of x, then it would have been -1. Now here it's saying, what is one solution to g of x equals 0? This is not saying x is 0, it is saying that the y is 0, and we're looking for the x. So that is y is equal to 0. So we go to y is equal to 0. Here's my y. We go to where y is equal to 0. It's right here. Where's my x? Right here at -2. And at +4. -2 and +4 would be my two answers. They want one solution though. We have -2 and +4. What are my zeros or my solutions or my roots or my x-intercept? It would be whatever I just found right now. The x-intercepts, where does it cross? Right here at -2 and at 4. It crosses the x-axis. Those are the x-intercept, the solutions, the roots, the zeros. So the coordinate would be -2, 0 and 4, 0. And that's how you solve these